any collection on the state highway, state road, and national highway is not empowered by the law. They should be closed down immediately.
Ka sorkar jylla ka sngi Palei jong ka arpolai trigu jylliew ar hajar arpoar kala bthah ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bakim de shuh ban pynieng Khyrdop khang Khajna ha ki surok ba jong ka jylla. Yakani karai ka sorkar kala shim ha ka jingialang ka balong ha ka ni ka sngi ryngkat bat ki khliehduh jong kitei ki council. Haba kren berkilat pathai khubor Myntri tnad District Council Affairs uba Lahkmen Rymbui uba deiru Myntri ki kampo yeng ulaong bakate ka jing bthah an pentri kam no mardor.
Today our Honorable Chief Minister has called a meeting with the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council and the Khasi Hills Autonomous Council regarding one issue only. That issue is the toll gate of these councils in different part of their respective districts. So in that meeting, we have decided that all the toll gate in the highway, state highway or state road should be closed down immediately, and this council could come with a proposal where to check, how to check, in what form, so that then the government will examine. We didn't question the authority of this council to collect tax on its jurisdiction, but on highway, state road, it is not empowered to do, so they have to close down immediately. So the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council and the Khasi Hills Autonomous Council also have agreed to do that. All the toll gate, because if this council gate or a forest gate, that is the in office, bid office, that is different altogether. I'm talking about the different toll gate in the state of, in these two respective districts of